Navigating the world of Linux commands is essential for any DevOps engineer. Imagine deploying a Java application. First, you create a directory with mdir/opt/myapp, then copy your jar and config files using cp. When troubleshooting a crashing Node.js app, you dive into logs with tail fapplog to catch real-time errors. User management is crucial too. Adding a new developer with add user and granting Docker access with usermod ensures they have the right tools. When permissions matter, securing your database config with chmod 600config.yml keeps sensitive data safe. If CPU spikes occur, you can monitor processes using top and kill rogue ones with kill. Network commands like ping and curl help troubleshoot microservices, while package management with apt or yum keeps your tools updated. Archiving logs with tar and transferring them via SCP is a seamless way to share data. SSH is your gateway to remote servers, allowing you to configure infrastructure directly. When services fail, commands like systemtl-status and journal-tl help you diagnose issues quickly. Disk space management is vital too. Checking with DFH can save your CI/CD pipeline from failure. Automating tasks with cron jobs ensures your logs are cleaned up regularly. Finally, in the realm of containers, commands like docker ps and kubectl get pods are your best friends for troubleshooting. Mastering these commands not only streamlines your workflow but also empowers you to tackle real-world challenges efficiently.